Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Friday market webcast. Well, let's hear it for the Bears. I mean, that's a great job. It takes a lot of talent to literally be in here 24 hours ago talking about a 4,100 inflection point, have you fall flat on your face, wake up to 4,171, and now we are talking about 4,200 as being what's next. That's where we are. So yesterday for us was pretty simple. We bought the open, 41.23, 41.24, 41.25 area. I mean, that was basically the day. We shorted it against the daily mid-band when it got there. So let's go to the hourly chart. You can see here what's happened. Talked about the higher low yesterday, the inability to take out the 50 and convert it, bouncing off the lower band here. Now you have a higher high. So, it's got to go back after the 77, 78, 79 area that we talked about a few days ago that had been 3 days worth of resistance. You convert that, right now the high is 73.25, and they'll probably reach for it at some point this morning. This morning's battle will be 77 to 79. Can you convert through that? If you do, then it's going to reach. It's Friday, and they would love to just reach and take the Bears right back out to the woodshed and finish what they started yesterday. And unless the Bears show up today and do something about it, that's exactly what's going to happen. Now, I think the Bears need news. The only thing that moved the market yesterday was whatever the little 5 minutes of inflation talk or whatever that was. And it didn't move the needle much. You had the little inflation talk, you had the little talk about the expansion of the IRS and how they're going to deal with cryptocurrency and things like that. But those were blips in the radar. Blips in the radar. And then the steam train just keeps rolling on. So hourly chart. We'll zoom it out first. So here's your 40.29. They consolidate. They break it down. They blow it right here. They blew it 10 o'clock in the morning on Wednesday. Then, yesterday morning, they print that higher low. As soon as they ring the bell yesterday, it was off and running. So, they open it at the 41.20s. They walk it up over the top of monthly pivot into the open. I think a lot of people were looking for monthly pivot to hold, look for a retrace. They caught a bunch of people leaning, and they ripped them. You can see how this is the daily mid-band. This is the 20-day. You can see how they had the little rejection move, 69.25 and back, how it's tried to hold serve, and they've danced around on either side of it all night long, which is what it should do. It's the daily mid-band. It's a gigantic inflection point. It's the difference between being in a sell rallies tape and a buy dips tape. But with this move up, if this holds today, then we're certainly buy dips. You see the hourly mid-band now coming up to meet the daily mid-band. And that's all happening at 41.60 to 41.61. So if there is going to be a pullback off the open today, 61 is a huge level for that. So here's your 77 to 79. You can see all this traffic back here. That's where the issue was. If it converts that, 4,200's right here. It's not far away. It's not far away. Bears need to convert here, deal with the weekly pivot again, and try to get back down, try to close it somewhere down here. But like I said, I think they need news to get it done. I think they need news. All right, I won't dwell on it. But, you have volume weighted average price, 63.5. Proprietary moving average, 66.75. 61's the big deal, and we're trading 72s right now. It's a great trading tape. It was a great tape yesterday if you came in and decided that you weren't going to fight price, assume we were going to come in and just go with the flow, which is what we've been, that's what we do. So it was very simple for us. Bought the open, tried a short, and then we ended up getting back in at 41.50. We're in that right now. So we still have a runner, and I'm content to hold it. The goals for the week and the month are made. I'm very curious to see if they pop it up over the top. I may keep this runner on for the majority of the day. All right, everybody have a great day. Have a great weekend. Be safe. Be healthy. Take care. You want to learn how to do this stuff. You want to not fight price. You want to learn technical analysis. You want to learn how to manage E-mini trading, profits, risks, and everything. Got to be in the room. All right. Have a fantastic day. Trade them well. Talk to you Monday. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade 'em well.